Nuh-uh. Oh man.
They hit it like 3 times.
Good sized trout. Nice sized trout. Get away from the dolphin. Good morning. We're out here, Matlacha Pass. This time it's Ole Blue and Pops too. Just lost a decent little snook. Everybody else is doing the Miceli's tournament. Me and Pops are gonna go play around. You guys have a good day. See you out there. Damn McDonald's birds out here harassing us. They already got that trout. Alright, I got a trout. Pops had a snook at first light, but then it shook off. And that has been kind of slow. Dolphins came through and scared off stuff, and looks like that weatherman lied again. Those boys and girls in the tournament are putting in some work. Slight change of plans. The winds are a bit more aggressive than, so we got Operation Sea Tow going on. 2.5 into the wind. We're gonna change sides. Alright, so we jump sides. Way more out of the wind over here. It's definitely a rough day of fishing. Dad's been trolling the whole time. Not one single bite. Just gonna work these trees. 2 guys worked them earlier for the tournament, but the water's pretty milky. Oh, it came off right here at the boat. Kick and scrimp, folks. You see, making acrobats out of snook. It's a nice little guy. Send him on home. Go on. Kick and scrimp. Go for it. I don't know what he was thinking. Ooh, that's a tournament winner. Go for it. That's too shallow.